Hey, what's up guys? Tim Burton fan 69 here with another snack review. Today we're going to be reviewing Doritos Tapatio Doritos. Let me just pop one of these in, just get the review going. Hold on. I'll have to drop the bag, I don't have enough hands. Tapatio Doritos, let me look at the facts real quick. 140 calories, serving size is 1 ounce, about 11 chips. There's vitamin A, 4%. There's 2% iron. It was pretty spicy. Oh, fuck. It's really spicy. I don't know if I like it. It's kind of spicy. I give it a 6 out of 10. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icons if you want to see all my videos. Thank you.